Hey guys, so I've got a chart here. We've got some extra data from yesterday thanks to the 7 people that sent me their favorite color. I have added Kingston's on green and Alec on red. Eliza liked aqua, so she's one of the other ones. Evelyn said light blue, but I went ahead and colored the blue for her. Nick was also blue, Jakari red, and then, oh, you know what? Oh, yep, we need one more blue because Aria was blue and I forgot to do it. So when we color a spot on the graph, we look at these numbers over here. We want our bar to go as high as the number on the chart. So when we draw that line straight over, you can see how high up it goes, okay? So if I keep that line going, you can see that none of the other ones touch that line. This one is close, but it only goes to the 3. Okay? If I keep those lines going, which most of the charts that you do will have those lines on there already. Oops, that one should be there. There we go. Good enough. Then we can see easily how much data we have. So by looking at our data, which color did most people in my house and our class like? Blue would have the most because it's the tallest bar. Okay, which one did the fewest number of people like? That would be purple. It only has 1 spot. That's me, I guess I'm all by myself. Okay, how many more people liked blue than green? Now that's a tricky question because when it says how many more, we have to do a little bit of math. Okay, if we take both groups, blue and green, we want to find out how they're different. And if you remember that word different, difference is what the answer is when you subtract. So you're going to start with the biggest group, you're going to start with blue, and you're going to subtract the green group. So 4 for blue, take away the 2 for green, means that there's 2 different. Okay, so there's 2 more blue. We can flip that problem and also say that there's 2 less green. Okay, however many more there are of the bigger group is the same number of how many less there should be for the smaller group. So let's go ahead and do the blue to the purple. How many fewer purple are there than blue? We still want to find out how those groups are different. So we start with the big group because you always have to start with the big group when you subtract, and you subtract the smaller group. 4, take away the 1 purple because those are the same. They're not different. They both have that one. 4 take away 1 would be 3. There are 3 fewer purple than there are blue. Switch that problem. How many more blue than purple? There's 3 more blue than there are purple. We can read lots of data like this. Like how many people would like red if 4 more people liked red? Well, right now, how many red are there? There's 2. So if 4 more like it, we would have to put 4 more on there, and then there would be 6 people. All right, so bar graphs here. We can also take this same data, and I'm going to jot it down real fast so I remember that red has 2, blue has 4, green has 2, purple has 1, and then other was 3. And I can see that really fast because I can see how many lines it goes up. And I'm going to flip our chart over here. We're going to use that same data to make a tally chart. All right, I think I'm ready. So, tally charts also show information, they show data, but they're going to be in a chart, not on a graph, so they're not going to have the axis like we talked about yesterday. They're going to be in a chart. They're still going to have a title like favorite color. They're still going to have choices like red, blue, green, purple, and other. But this time, we're going to actually write the totals. We want to take our data and put it all together so by looking at the tally chart we can see really fast. Now on a tally chart, we're not going to draw bars, we're not going to draw pictures, we're going to make tallies. So if 2 people had red, I'm going to make 2 tallies, and then over here I'm going to go ahead and total that up already. Blue had 4. Green had 2. Purple just had 1. And remember, this is a tally. This is a 1. I know they look the same, but when you're tallying, you just go down 1. And other has 3. So same data, same information, different kind of chart. Okay? If I wanted to make a picture graph, I'd do it real small. I still need a title. I still need my choices. I'm not going to be able to do all of them. I'll just do the ones I can. But this time, I'm going to draw pictures. So I might say that 2 people picked red, or 4 people picked blue. 2 people picked green. But you know what? It gives us the same information. We can still see that 2 more people are on blue than green. All right, guys, thanks. Well, have a good day. I'll be back tomorrow. I think we're going to do some kind of writing activity tomorrow. So maybe if you were there that last day of school that we were together, have your Foundations journal ready. If you weren't there, then have a notebook, piece of paper, plain piece of paper ready to go for tomorrow. Have a good day.